Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elsa. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my knotless box braids. I did it in the color burnt orange and yeah, I love it. This isn't really a tutorial guys, I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Maybe the next time I do knotless braids I'll do a better job at explaining. If you guys want to see how I got my hair looking like this, then keep watching. Wow. So it is late in the afternoon. I know I'm going to be doing this for days. I want my braids to be like small, and also I want to tuck my hair. So it's going to be very, very time consuming. Everything I'm going to be using, I'll just link it in the description. But this is the hair color. So I have the hair all ready. I'm gonna have this mirror behind me and then this one in front of me. I got my hair ties, scissors, hair clips, rat tail comb, and my Shine and Jam. Oh my mirror's so filthy. Wow. I'm just like kind of guessing first and then I'm gonna fix it. Parting takes so long. It's I just need someone to be here just so they could part for me. Section 3, braid, 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 maybe one more, braid. Okay, I'm gonna start adding the hairs. This is like me trying to actually tuck the hair in, and look how much of the black you can still see. That's insane. I'll like show you guys up close once I finish this braid. This is the back and this is the front. I think my hair looks good so far, but I'm just kind of like, I feel tired already, like tired of braiding. Today I've been super kind of unmotivated, and I'm just like, dang, I really wish someone was here just to do my hair for me, you know? So I think I'm gonna work on my hair for maybe like 2 more hours, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. It is the next day. It's a new day. I feel good. I just had breakfast and I feel well rested, kind of. I just want to show you guys the mess that is my bedroom right now. Like, if you've ever done your own hair using extensions, you just know the mess that you're about to have. Like, your floor is just covered in hair. Let me just show you guys, okay? All right. There's a lot of like just junk, like candy and whatnot. I'm gonna show you guys. And look at my table. Oh, the tea is hot. You know when you drink a hot drink and you just feel the heat like go down?
Leave it online then. I've never brought anything from a motherfucking blog to you. You just said that you would bring that into the. You tell me what I need to know about you. Take your milk and get the out.
We are on day 3 of doing my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys what the back of my head looks like. I'm excited I'm almost done. I'm gonna worry about the middle part after I do this first row, I think. But this is, look how skinny this row is. Oh my god. My scalp kind of looks dirty, but I promise you it's not dirty. I think maybe it's just like I had put so much oil in my hair from constantly just adding more and more oil to move my hair. And then I had put it in the braid, and then maybe it just got a little like tacky or something.
Where Chris is concerned, and correct. Chris thinks that you're more comfortable than you are. Chris probably owes.
I don't think it's gonna get straighter than that. No. These braids I think are gonna be pretty small. Can't really see. So I just have this row and this braid to do, and as I'm braiding, I'm realizing my middle part, I don't know, just it depends how I move my head, you know, like I think it's straight, but we'll just see. I won't be able to tell until my hair is done. These extensions, I don't know what you call them, like instead of them being like straight, like blunt at the end, it's like more wispy. So then when you're braiding, starts off thick because obviously it's like the extension plus your hair, and then after you get past where your hair ends, it like thins out at the end. So I kind of want to keep the same thickness throughout until like, you know, towards the end actually. So I'm going to cut this hair in half because I don't want it any longer than it is, and then attach it from here. Yeah, I'm gonna attach it from about maybe here, so that way it's thick all throughout, you know? I started watching Real Housewives. What is it called? Real Housewives of Potomac? Real Housewives of Potomac? I don't know. Those girls are wild. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, this camera needs to like relax because it keeps on not focusing. Here we go. I'm gonna try my best to explain how I do my knotless braids. This is just how I do it. Yeah. If you want a more thorough video, this is not the video. Sorry if you got this far. So section this piece into 3. Try to make them even. That's even enough for me. And then start braiding. Do like a regular single strand braid. Maybe do like, I don't know, 2. I feel like I just did that like 3 or 4 times. Like, I don't know, 4 braids. I don't know what you call it. Okay, and then I'm gonna start attaching the pieces. So my pieces are about this size. Hopefully it's focused. You don't want your pieces to be bigger than the strands. Otherwise it's more difficult to blend in. Okay, and then I'm gonna start attaching it. Go under, grab it, and then push it down in there. And then I'm gonna add my second piece. I don't know if you guys can even see. Push it in there. Okay. I'm so sorry if you guys can't really see that well. I'll explain it again. And then just braid, 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 braid. That's what it should look like. It's okay. And then I'm gonna just turn it around because I have an easier time braiding this way. Okay. And we're gonna attach more pieces. And then I try to put the extension over my own hair. And I grab some more gel, of course, to grab my hair, gather all the pieces because it's easier to tuck. Okay, and then I do that with each of them. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add another piece. This would be a lot easier if I added more pieces, but I want my braids to be skinny, but then it's more difficult to tuck your hair because there's just not enough hair to tuck it under, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Okay, then I'm just gonna keep braiding and keep adjusting. When I'm adding the hair, I'm adding it from behind, so that way you can't really see it and it just blends in really nice. You can't even see where I attached it. This is something you could obviously skip. You don't have to try to tuck your hair in, but I do like it because it keeps your hair neater because your hair is tucked in and your hair is just like protected, you know? If you're trying to do knotless braids and you don't have your hair, your pieces out, you're just making things more difficult for yourself. So I would suggest have your strands all ready so you can just grab it and attach it rather than trying to separate the hairs while you're trying to braid. You're just making it more complicated. So I'm going to braid, braid, braid. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to attach my first piece. Okay, and then I'm going to grab it with my pointy finger and then continue braiding. Try to make my braid tight. Don't lose your grip. If you lose your grip, it kind of messes up the braid. And I'm going to attach my second piece. Gonna do my third piece. Okay, I'm gonna add another piece. I'm gonna add, I think, another piece. Is this like my fourth or fifth piece? I don't even know. I feel like I could have done a better job with this braid, like tucking it. But honestly, when you get to the last braid, you're just over it. I've been over it for a while now, and it's okay. I swear, it's always the last braid that always wants to give me the most problems. You know? I'm gonna attach a shorter piece right here. So it's about the same like thickness. I'm not even done yet. Yes, I'm done braiding, but I still gotta go back and cut all the flyaways. This hair has so much flyaways, and it's not just at the end, it's like quite high as well. So I'm gonna go through each braid and cut the flyaways because I think it's worth it. Like if I'm gonna put this much effort and time into putting the braids in, I'm gonna make sure they look good, you know? swear to God, guys, even though it takes like freaking 3 days, and then look at me smiling, it's totally worth it, okay? And you really don't have to spend 3 days like I do. I just like to be crazy and take my sweet time, cut the flyaways, do all these things, but I enjoy it, you know? As much as it seemed like I was like dreading doing my hair, which I was, you get to a point sometimes while you're braiding your hair, you just want to like quit. Sometimes I'm like, okay, I can quit. I can just take them out. I haven't done that many, but no, I will persevere and I'll finish because in the end, you know, look at that. So cute. So cute. This is a week after I finished my hair. I don't think I will ever go back to the other way I used to do box braids with the knot at the root. I just, look how flat it looks. Like, let me show you guys. I feel like that's pretty good, right? Usually the other version with the knot, like, it would be a lot more bumpier. So I don't think I'll ever go back to the other way of doing box braids. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then like my video, comment on it, and I will talk to you guys. Oh, and subscribe. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.